Did you know that a well-designed workplace layout can boost productivity by up to 28%? Quite a remarkable statistic, isn't it? But what does it really mean? Let's break it down. A workplace layout is the arrangement of physical elements within a workspace, from the placement of desks and machines to the flow of traffic. It's like a well-orchestrated dance where every move matters. Imagine a factory assembly line where each step in the production process is laid out for maximum efficiency. Or consider a bustling office where the layout allows for seamless collaboration and easy access to resources. Each of these scenarios represents a well-designed layout, and the impact is substantial. Not only does it reduce wasted time and effort, it also leads to happier, more productive employees. So, a thoughtfully designed workplace is not just nice to have, it's an essential tool for boosting productivity. Now, let's dive into the world of Therbligs, a fascinating concept in the field of industrial engineering. Imagine a pair of glasses that can analyze every movement you make in microscopic detail. This is the essence of Therbligs, a unique tool used by industrial engineers. Developed by the brilliant minds of Frank and Lillian Gilbreth, the term Therblig is an anagram of their surname. It's a system designed to break down every action into its smallest constituent parts. Therbligs consist of 18 fundamental actions, ranging from searching and finding to selecting and using. It's like a language of efficiency, where each action is a word and a sequence of actions forms a sentence. Consider a factory worker assembling a product. By using Therbligs, we can analyze each of his movements. How long does it take him to pick up a screw? How much time does he spend locating the right hole? And how much time does it take to actually screw it in? Each action is a Therblig, and by studying them, we can find ways to optimize the process, improving efficiency and productivity. This method is not just limited to factories. It can be applied to any task, whether it's cooking a meal, typing an email, or even brushing your teeth. As you can see, Therbligs provide a powerful tool for dissecting and improving work processes. It's a magical lens that brings the invisible world of efficiency to light, changing the way we perceive and perform work. Finally, let's explore Simo charts, another powerful tool in the industrial engineer's toolbox. Simo charts, or simultaneous motion charts, are ingenious creations that allow us to visualize the sequence of tasks involved in a process. And not just that, they also help track the time taken for each task, creating a comprehensive picture of our process from start to finish. Consider a factory setting, for instance. We have multiple machines, workers, raw materials, all moving around in what might seem like a chaotic dance. But with a Simo chart, we can map out every single movement, each task, and the time it takes. Imagine how this could revolutionize the layout of your factory. By identifying tasks that can be done simultaneously or those that are causing unnecessary delays, you can optimize your layout to reduce wasted movement and save valuable time. You'd be amazed at how small changes can make a huge difference. For example, if a worker has to walk across the factory floor to fetch a tool and then walk back to his station, that's wasted movement. With a Simo chart, we can identify such inefficiencies and maybe place the tool closer to the worker's station. This is the power of Simo charts. They literally give us a bird's eye view of our process, letting us see where we can tighten the bolts and where we can grease the wheels. By visualizing the process, Simo charts make it easier to spot inefficiencies and identify opportunities for improvement. As we've seen, the design of the workplace layout, Therbligs, and Simo charts are all powerful tools for boosting productivity. These aren't just abstract theories, but practical strategies that can revolutionize your work environment. Remember, a well-structured workplace layout is the foundation of efficient operations. It streamlines the workflow, reduces unnecessary movements, and improves safety. Therbligs, those elemental motions, are the building blocks of any task. Analyzing them allows us to identify inefficiencies and develop better work methods. And let's not forget Simo charts. By illustrating the relationship between two or more workers or machines, they reveal overlaps and idle times. This insight can lead to improved synchronization and a significant reduction in wasted time. Think about how these principles might apply in your own work settings. Imagine the transformations you could bring about. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content. And don't forget to visit our website at beawarechannel.com for premium content and exciting stuff. Thank you for watching.